Okay, here's Automatic Can Crusher 2. I've been modding the crusher since the first video. Trying to use mostly used parts, but I had to break down and buy some new hose and fittings and a few rod ends just to clean up all the slack in my pivot points there. The cylinder's out of a 60s Massey combine. It's an actual hydraulic cylinder, but I'm running air through it. I have to hit it pretty hard for it to crush the cans, otherwise it doesn't have enough power. The air leaks past the seals, but this far into it, it's way too much to change to an actual pneumatic cylinder now. I'll just do a quick video of it actually crushing cans, and then I can do a close-up on some of the pieces on it there. But this is an actual automatic can crusher, not a self-stroking or whatever the hell you want to call it. It will actually detect the cans and then crush them, not just keep stroking as you put cans in and never stop. So I'll hit the air, feed some cans in there, and see if it jams up again. Okay, I'm away from it, going by itself. You can hear the air blowing, so you could tell if I actually disconnected the air. Last can. Okay, that can was too light, wouldn't crush it. If you had a little bit of bottoms in there, it would crush the last can. But there, it'll stop now and wait until you put more cans in. Obviously, my little relay on the other side is leaking pretty bad. That's what happens when you have used parts. Alright, so used parts, I had to piggyback two three-way valves together to get my five-way action for the old cylinder. I didn't have a five-way valve, so used what I had. Triggering mechanism, actually I think that's a Polaris Skidoo emergency brake cable, not sure. Used regulator, used gauges. What happens is the cylinder strokes, the secondary bar here travels with the cylinder, and the springs there trip the 5-valve manifold. There's my can sensor. I ain't going to tell you how that works. You'll have to figure it out if you want to build one like this. And slide around to the other side. Another relay, and here's the relay that's leaking. I'll probably just change it to a different type. I'll have to buy one because that relay is 300 and some bucks. The rebuild kit for it's 60. So if I want to make the leaking stop, I'll have to replace it. Here's my unloader. It does two things: holds the top can up and pushes the other one down onto the sensor. So once the sensor starts to go, it commits it pretty much. That holds the pressure on to make sure that it triggers and crushes the cans. Okay, well, I'll have to take it apart and paint it, do some final welding, get rid of this massive unloader, or this clip here. It holds 130 cans, but the cans jam on themselves. Unless I want to make a high-tech unscrambler to feed them, I'll just take it off. Okay, thanks for watching.